Good evening, students. Hi, how are you? So, Mahavir asked one question. So, the question coming to the question, the ratio compounded of 4 is to 9. Coming to the question, the ratio compounded of 4 is to 9, the duplicate ratio of 3 is to 4, and the triplicate ratio of 2 is to 3, and 9 is to 7 is. Means here find out the compounded ratio of 4 ratios. So what is the 4 ratios means? One is 4 is to 9, and the next one is duplicate ratio of this, and the next one is triplicate ratio of this ratio, and another ratio this one. So here they are given the options also A, B, C and D. So coming to A, this 2 is to 7 and 7 is to 2, C is 2 is to 21, D is none of these. So next, how to solve this problem? So we know one thing, the compound ratio of the ratios. So you can take any number of ratios, that is not a problem. So just you must remember the formula, the compound ratio of ratios. A is to B one ratio and C is to D another ratio and E is to F. Is the compounded ratio of these ratios is, write down the product of the first terms. In all ratios, the first term products is to the second term's product. So this is the formula, remember this one, and we need to find the compound ratio of the ratios. 4 is to 9 is a one ratio, and duplicate ratio of 3 is to 4 is, duplicate is nothing but squaring of the numbers. 3 square is to 4 square. So this 9 is to 16. So next to find out the triplicate ratio of 2 is to 3. Triplicate means cube. So 2 cube is to 3 cube is equal to 8 is to 27. And also one more ratio is given, that is nothing but 9 is to 7. So now we need to find the compound ratio of these 4 ratios. What are the 4? 4 is to 9 is 1, and 9 is to 16 is 1, and 8 is to 27 is the one ratio, and finally 9 is to 7 is one ratio. So coming to the formula, so here 4 ratios is there. You must write the formula related to 4 ratios. Okay, A is to B is a one ratio, and C is to D, E is to F, and G is to H. Here 4 ratios are there. So for this, how to write the compound ratio formula? It means multiply all the first terms in the ratios divided by multiply all the second terms in the ratios. That is the formula. And also you must compare the, here the ratios is there na 4 ratios. You must compare that 4 ratios with these ratios. So A is to B is nothing but 4 is to 9. C is to D is nothing but 9 is to 16. E is to F is nothing but 8 is to 17. And finally G is to H is nothing but 9 is to 7. So in place of this, the formula for calculating the compound ratio of these ratios. And in place of A, substitute 4 into first numbers, 9 into 8 into 9. Second numbers, write down in the denominator. So after writing this, 9 gets cancelled, 8 ones are 8 twos are, 1s are 4 4s are, and 4 1s are 4 2s are, 9 3 3s are 3 9s are, 3 1s are 3 3s are. So it is completed now, I think. So write down the, what are the, in the numerator, how many terms is there? Only 2 is there. Coming to denominator, 3 into 7 is there. So that is nothing but 2 by 3 7s are 21. So it can be written as 2 is to 21. Means our answer is C. I hope understood. Thank you.